everyone, welcome back. Today I think I'm going to do something completely different, and I'm literally just going to go with the flow, and I'm just going to go with the creative flow and see what comes out. I'm going to be doing, since it's winter, we're all thinking and dreaming about the summer once again, so I'm going to go with lovely blue colours with silver to remind us of the ocean. So let's go and see what way this comes out. Wish me luck. So I'm going to put down, I'm not going to put down a base layer, I don't think. I think I'm just going to go, let's just see how this works. I'm actually excited to see what way this comes out, especially when you're just literally going with your creative flow and seeing what it comes out like. So this is phthalo blue. So I really love this color. And then I have turquoise. I think it's like a turquoise light maybe. So I'm just gonna, I don't know yet whether I'm going to blow it out or whether I'm going to spin it. I don't know yet. So when I get to that part, I will decide. So we have a skylight, blue. So I'm just going to drizzle it on like I'm drizzling a cake. Yeah. So I'm loving the colours already. So here's my silver. So maybe just drop it here and there. So this is the most fun part. Just not thinking about the process. Just going with the colours and seeing what beauty comes out of it. So I think, looking at how messy it is, I'm probably going to have to use the hairdryer. That's probably what's going to happen. And you know what? I think I might be a bit bold, and I might put in some primary magenta in places. Let's just see. Maybe I shouldn't have done that, but we'll see at the end process. So like I said, totally out of whim. So much for a summer feel, sea, ocean. Let's just go with this and see. As I said, I'm going with the flow. I'm excited to see how these blend together. It's going to be something completely different to what I normally do, but hey, you have to try different things, haven't you? No, so here we go. I'm going to put it on a light. So I don't even know which way to blow this out. Oh my god, look at this together! Whoa! Oh my god. The pink. Ooh. That is unbelievable. Oh my god. That is class. Wow, that is really cool. Oh, I shouldn't have got rid of the pink there. I like that. Maybe, should I spin it out and see what happens? Sure, look, we won't know unless we try. Yeah, you know what? Maybe I could just do something completely different, and I'm going to tilt it. That's what I'm going to do. Let's not go with the rules. Let's make our own rules. So you can see it, look, moving. Because I really love the pink. came out so nice. So look, don't go with your norm. Do something completely different. Let me just lift it up towards the camera so you can see. Look at the pink. Isn't that beautiful for something that was literally just on a whim and threw loads of colours at the canvas? And that came out very cool. Now here's the close-up. So as you can see, the pink, well, primary magenta, but it comes out like a really, really nice pink. Look at that. It's all the blues combined. Don't really see too much silver, but do you know what? I just went with complete creative flow and it came out like that. You hairdryer, spin it, tilted it, and it came out very, very cool. Sometimes it's nice to go with just your own creative flow and see what comes of it.